Welcome back. The UGDP has plans to merge with the Aam Aadmi Party in forthcoming Lok Sabha poll. General Secretary of UGDP Anaklet Viegas said AAP has same ideology as UGDP. UGDP would not field their candidate for Lok Sabha poll. Anaklet said they would take up current issues in Goa and support AAP during the State Assembly poll.
In view of the emergence of the Aam Aadmi Party, which believes in clean politics and a country free of corruption, we have no other alternative but to stand aside and support the Aam Aadmi Party. And BJP, apart from being corrupt, it is also communal. There is no way we can support the BJP now. Of course, the Congress we have never aligned ourselves to. We have maintained a safe distance from them ever since the formation of the United Goans Democratic Party. Initially, we will support the candidates that have been put up by the Aam Aadmi for the Lok Sabha. Later on, since there are other issues that concern us, like special status for Goa, like a high court for Goa, like so many other issues that are there. There is no sand available here. There is no stone available in this country for development. And the development is going lopsided with mega projects coming all over the place. If these are also taken care of by the Aam Aadmi Party, then I don't see why we should hesitate in giving our full support to the Aam Aadmi Party, even in the elections of the Legislative Assembly.
GDP merge कर पाते भी ऐसे किधर
जाना? We are thinking on those lines. We have not decided yet. Not merge. We will unconditionally go with that party if it meets the needs of the local population.
In a raid at TV, Antinarcotics cell arrested one accused with 1 kg and 140 grams charas. Value of seized contraband in international market is about 2 lakh rupees. Accused Purba Sharma had come to Goa as tourist with a group of travellers. A team of anti-narcotics cell conducted a raid at TV on Friday and arrested 22-year-old accused Purba Sherpa. Around 1.140 kgs of charas valued at 2 lakh rupees in international market were seized in the raid. Accused is a native of Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh.
अंमली पदार्थ विरोधी पुलिस स्टेशन आज एक रेड कंडक्ट केली थिवी फुटबॉल ग्राउंडाकडे सकाळी 9 सुमार आणि तांणी पूर्वा शेर्पा म्हणून हो 22 वर्सांचो तरणाटो ताका धरलो फॉर इलिगल पोजिशन ऑफ 1.140 kgs ऑफ चरस वॅल्यूड एट ओवर 2-2.5 लाखा वयर वॅल्यू जाता इंटरनॅशनल मार्केटान आनी ताका धरून ताजेर कारवाई ताजेर ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केल्ले आसा आनी ताजे कडेन थोडे कॅशय मेळ्ळे 200 रुपया पुलीस तपास करता चालू.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. India will play Pakistan in a baseball series from 22nd of this month in Lahore. The probable India squad is preparing for the series under the guidance of Japanese coach Yasuke Akita at Fatorda. 10 Goan players are also in the probable camp. A 16-member team will be selected at the end of the coaching camp. India team coach L. Rajinder, assistant Dinesh Kaure and Dilip Naik are also at the camp.
What they're lacking is, I think, throwing. Throwing mechanics, they throw like crickets, but it's big difference between a baseball and a cricket, so that's something they can do. Yeah, I've been around not all, but I've been around several Asian countries. And then compared to those countries, and then their levels are pretty high, and then they are pretty good. Especially hitting wise, like it's amazing. I'm sure once they play for the international competition or something, I'm sure they'll do good. moving this way. Okay, back is the muscle. This is your pulling arm. Okay, and when you throw, you are using chest and tricep.
बॅटिंग स्किल्स जावं मागीर थ्रोईंग स्किल्स जावं फिल्डिंग स्किल्स जावं थंय भरपूर स्किल्स शिकयल्या तांचो आमकां भरपूर फायदो जाल्लो आसा.
म्हाका 12 वर्सां जाली बेसबॉल खेळता पूण आमकां कळ्ळें की भायले कंट्री कशे खेळटा आनी आमी कशे खेळटा.
Level wise, we are better than any other country except Pakistan, because Pakistan they are playing right from 85 days even, and they are regularly participating in international tournaments.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.